What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2020 GMC Terrain. First thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the key fob. And to do that, on the left side of the key fob there's a button. I'm going to push it and pull the emergency key right out. Now we're going to take this back case off and it's going to expose the battery. And to do that, I'm going to go right on the left side here, right where the button is, and I'm going to pry it down. Okay, see how it kind of splits on me right here? And I'm holding it all together because I don't want it to fall apart. And turn it back over and just gently pry this cover right off. Okay, and once we get it off, the battery is on the back cover itself, and then we just pop it right off. Now if you notice, the positive part of the battery is facing down, so we're going to flip it over. You can see it says positive there. The battery size is a CR2032. I'm going to get my new battery. If you need a new battery, I'm going to leave a link down in the description box where you can get a new battery on Amazon, so check that out. We're just going to pop the new one in like that, grab our other half of the remote, and we're just going to put them gently back together and push them back together, get the emergency key, slide it right back in, and you're all done. I hope the video was helpful, and it was. If you could, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.